How long do sandhill cranes live? Have you ever wondered just how long sandhill cranes can thrive in the wild? These magnificent birds are known for their impressive longevity, and their lifespans can range from 20 to 40 years. This remarkable lifespan is a reflection of their ability to adapt and survive in various environments. In captivity, they may even live a bit longer due to reduced threats from predators and better living conditions. Several factors play a role in determining how long sandhill cranes live. Young cranes face many dangers, especially from predators. This vulnerability can impact their survival rates significantly. However, once they reach maturity, they become less prone to these threats and have a higher chance of living longer lives. Environmental conditions also matter. The availability of food and the quality of their habitat can greatly influence their lifespan. Sandhill cranes are known for their strong pair bonds. They are monogamous and often stay with the same partner for many years. This long-term relationship is beneficial for raising their young and establishing stable breeding territories. Their reproductive life can span most of their lifespan, typically lasting around 30 years. This means that they can contribute to their population for a significant portion of their lives. Understanding how long sandhill cranes live is important for conservation efforts. By knowing what affects their longevity, conservationists can work on strategies to protect their habitats and reduce human-related threats. This knowledge is especially relevant for managing game bird populations, ensuring that sandhill cranes can continue to thrive alongside human communities. In the context of identifying game birds, knowing the lifespan of sandhill cranes helps us understand their behavior and population dynamics. This information can guide hunting regulations and habitat management practices. By protecting these remarkable birds, we can ensure they remain a part of our natural world for generations to come. So, the next time you spot a sandhill crane, remember that you are looking at a bird that could live for decades, contributing to the beauty of our ecosystems.